Hey there, folks. You know what I've been hearing lately? The IRS is making a big deal about how you can just do it yourself when it comes to fixing your tax problems. Sounds pretty good, don't you think? In my world, easier doesn't always mean better, if you know what I mean. But I can't tell you how many times I've had to clean up after folks who tried fixing their tax problem on their own. Because this stuff must be easy, right? They were searching Google and using ChatGPT and all the AI, but they didn't know how to work with the IRS or all the ins and outs. And boy, the IRS knows what they're doing here. They're making it easier and simpler for you to help yourself while they've been quietly changing the rules for pros like me, rewriting some guidelines, taking away some tools that we've counted on for years. So here's the honest to goodness truth. If you send in an offer and compromise that's not filled out properly or has the wrong numbers or just doesn't follow the strict IRS guidelines, well, you might just get a big fat no. Or you could end up having your whole case pushed back to you months later, or having the IRS put it under the microscope in a way you didn't really want to. I'll bet you we're going to see a whole bunch of these OIC DIYs coming in a year or two. That's why I keep a real close eye on every offer I submit. But hey, if you've already tried this before and it went sideways for you, don't worry. I'm right here to help you straighten things out and help you get things right back on track. The IRS sure isn't messing around here, and that's for sure. So if you're looking for some real help, you'd better get a real professional. Don't roll the IRS dice with the IRS DIY OIC program. Give us a call at 763-477-4205 or check us out on the web at besttaxpro.com. Let's get these things fixed right before it gets worse.